How to fix Gcast protection problem? Hey everyone, this is Rose and I'm here to guide you to fix Gcast protection problem. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to open settings on your device. Scroll down. Locate additional settings option. Tap on it. Now scroll again. Select developer options. Now make sure to toggle the button off for the developer options. Once you do that, you need to come back to the home page of settings. Scroll down. Tap Apps. Select App Management from top of the screen. Scroll down and locate Gcast. If you don't find this way, you can also use the search bar at top of the screen. Open Gcast app. Tap Storage Uses and tap Clear Cache. You can even tap Clear Data and tap on Delete button. Once you do that, you need to exit from here and check whether your issue has been fixed or not. So ultimately, doing this process will help you to fix Gcast protection problem. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.